guys, back in another some banging video on me, Epic Car. Make sure to like it up, subscribe, and big notification. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. And while you guys are at it, follow me on Instagram. Epic Car will pop up here on the screen, guys. So we did a sneezing prank. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like it up, subscribe, and yeah, let's get to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys stayed to the end of the video, just make sure to like it up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It will pop up right here, guys. Thanks, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.